Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can convert your Hugo site to other format. When the Hugo is installed, by default it is using TOML format, TOML format, and it is looking like this. In this video you will see how you can convert to YAML format. I love YAML format because it's easy to maintain everything, and the configuration or to create the content, everything is very easy. That's why I'm going to use that, and it's handy also. But many people they prefer this format. Both of them have some good thing and bad thing. Some people prefer one, some people prefer other, but I prefer YAML. That's why I'm going to convert this thing to YAML. So first thing is that at first we need to rename this thing. I'm going to right click and then I'm going to choose rename. This is a hugo.toml file. So every Hugo there is a file, is configuration file. This is a hugo.toml. So I'm going to remove the extension and I'm going to create YAML format. And after doing this, you will see some error. If you try to build anything, you will see some error. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to replace all equal sign. So I'm going to control find. I'm going to use the Visual Studio search feature, and then I'm going to expand it, and then I'm going to use the colon. So we have to replace from equal to colon, as TOML file has colon sign to separate everything, and then press this button. It will replace everything and it will look like this. Okay, now here there is like single dot. I'm going to change it to double quote. So I'm going to select one of the double quote and I'm going to press command key or control key F to find this thing, and then I'm going to replace it like this sign. Okay, now we need to click this like replace all button to replace everything. So I'm going to click here and everything will be replaced, and it looks like this. Now we can actually save it. I'm going to put a space over there so that it looks nice like that. And finally I'm going to save it. I'm going to control S to save it, and it will be saved like this way. Now let's clear the like command prompt or terminal clear. I'm typing the clear command and start typing Hugo server to check whether it is working properly or not. If there is no error, that means it is working properly. So hit enter key or of your keyboard, and if everything is fine, then everything will be built successfully and you will see this type of message. That means it is working properly. Now let's check through the URL whether the site is working properly or not. I'm going to open a new tab over here. So this is the new browser. I mean this is the browser. Basically I'm using Google Chrome browser, and I'm going to close all this because I don't need and this thing. So I'm going to paste it, the URL. I'm going to hit enter key of my keyboard, and here I see the Hugo site is there and everything is working fine. So we just converted to YAML file to not YAML, TOML file to YAML file. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily convert our existing Hugo site from TOML to YAML. So I prefer YAML. You can also use any of this. Everything will work properly, but for my YouTube channel, all the videos whichever I will publish, I will use this YAML format file. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you face any issue to convert this type of format, I mean from one format to other format like TOML to YAML, please put in the comment section. I will try to solve, or I will give you the suggestion how to fix those things. Thank you guys for watching the video.